Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Kika to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So if you want to install the Kika application, here's what you have to do. On your Hisense Smart TV, please locate your App Store. Yeah, this should be the same on all Hisense Smart TVs because all Hisense Smart TVs use the same operating system, thereby having the same App Store. So once you go over here, what you have to do, just go out to the search box and type in the application, which is Kika. So come here and just type in Kika. Just follow me attentively. Kika is Kicer. I actually don't know what I spelled. Kicker, and all you have to do, search, and here's the application over here. Now once you click install, you can come over here and install the application, and then it is going to ask you to choose where to place it, and then place it there, and then you are good to go. You go ahead and launch the application on your Hisense Smart TV, and that's how to install the application to your Hisense Smart TV.